Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a short video on how I make my Jamaican rum cake. And this recipe is a recipe that I actually got from my grandmother. So I'm going to be sharing the ingredients in the description box because it's a short video and I'm not able to, show you each ingredients step by step. So check this video out, try it in the comment section, guys. Let me know if you tried, if you liked it, and how it turned out for you guys. Again, it's going to be a short video of my Jamaican rum cake that my grandmother's recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So don't forget to share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay?